3.
Now I show you another exercise. This is our form position. And now I show you this exercise is very important for our quadriceps and gluteus maximus and also our back pain problem. For face the back pain problem, you can do this exercise in your bed, in your room, everywhere without using any instrument. Only you can use your 30 seconds or 1 minute time for do this exercise. Now I start this exercise. Starting point, first time you fixed your chin onto the ground, don't move, and your both hands close to your bodies and both toes outside. Fixed. Now I show you, you go backside, and when you start your exercise, your both legs up to the ground, minimum 6 inches up, and your quadriceps don't touch the ground, and up your quadriceps from the ground and take the face down, up. You feel very hard pressure in your back and also hip and quadricep muscle and hamstring quadricep, and all muscle works at a time. You can do this exercise for try to know what is the difference between leg raising front and leg raising forward position from the back side. Thank you very much.